In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use section break in Card. A section break is a small but powerful control in Card that helps you organize long, single-page sites. It lets you split your page into logical segments and create smooth scrolling links to specific areas like About, Services, or Contact. Let's set one up together from start to finish so your site is cleaner and easier to navigate. Start by heading to card.so in your browser. From the home page, click Open Dashboard. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in so you can access your projects. Once you're in the dashboard, click the project you want to edit to open it in the builder. Inside the builder, look for the Add button, typically shown as a plus icon. Click that to open the element picker. Instead of adding a visible element like text or an image, choose Control. Controls are special elements that help manage structure and behavior on your page. With the control element selected, open the Type dropdown in the Settings panel. From the list, choose Section Break. This tells Card that this control will act as a divider and an anchor point for navigation. Next, give your section break a clear, memorable name. This name is important because it becomes the anchor you'll reference when linking from buttons or menu items. Something short and descriptive works best, like About, Pricing, or Contact. Keep it consistent with any labels you already use on your site so it's easy to recognize later. Click Done to create the section break. You'll now see a marker in your layout that represents that break. It won't be visible to visitors as a design element. It simply defines where one section ends and the next begins. Now drag the section break to the exact spot where you want to divide the page. Place it just above a heading or at the start of a new block of content for a clean separation. Release to drop it in place. That's all there is to it. With the break added, you can connect it to your site's navigation. For example, a button or menu link can scroll directly to this section by targeting the name you set. This is perfect for single-page layouts where you want quick jumps to key content. That's how you use a section break in Card to structure your page and enable smooth, professional navigation. Try adding breaks at each major section to keep everything organized and easy to explore.